Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds LG TONE Free. Firstly, I will show it on Android device and then I will swap to Apple device and I will show you how to make it on your iPhone. So, on your Android, open Settings and then you need to scroll down. We should find Accessibility. And right here I have it at the bottom. Click on it and then scroll down again. Right here we need to find audio adjustment and I also have it at the bottom. Tap on it and right here we have audio balance. To increase the volume for your right earbud you need to move the slider to the right and check it. But once you increase it for the right earbud you will lower the volume on your left earbud. And to increase it for the left earbud, also just move the slider to the left. And that's it. Now let's move to Apple devices. So, on your iPhone, open Settings. And you need to also scroll down and find Accessibility. And right here we have it under the General. So click on it. Then scroll down. And you need to find audio and visual right here. In the hearing we have it. Click on it and then also scroll down. Right here we have audio balance. To increase it for the right earbud you need to move your slider to the right. To increase it for the left earbud you need to move it to the left earbud. But once you select to, let's say, increase it for the left earbud, you will lower the volume on your right earbud. So you need to know it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.